Right, so I'm at the Samyang stand at the photography show here at the NEC in Birmingham, and we're looking at the newly announced 85mm f1.4 for Sony E-mount. This is an autofocus lens. Samyang, for a long time with so many of their lenses, they've been manual focus only, so it's brilliant to see the Samyang are now starting to make a lot more autofocus lenses, especially for E-mount. And this is an f1.4 priced at £599, which is incredible value for money, and it kind of puts it in range with the Zeiss Batiste, which is a little bit more expensive than this one, and the Sony FE 85mm, which is slightly cheaper, but this does have a wider aperture. Now, I can't take any pictures with this lens. Well, I can take pictures, but I can't put a memory card in the camera, unfortunately, because it's a pre-production model. But the one thing I absolutely love about this lens is the fact that it's ridiculously light. I mean, it's really light in the hand. In fact, when you compare it to a Zeiss Batiste lens, which is an 85 f1.8, this is about the same in terms of weight compared to the Zeiss. Now, fair enough, this is plastic and this is solid metal, but still, the fact that you've got an f1.4 lens which has the same weight as an f1.8 lens, that's saying a lot. So as I said earlier on, I can't put an SD card in the camera because it is a pre-production model, but they have said that I can take a few pictures and maybe we can look at the back of the screen, maybe we can see something, but I'm not expecting like a lot of information considering it's a Sony a7 II and the back of the screen isn't exactly a great way to see what this camera is capable of. But what I'm noticing is even with the a7 II, focusing is pretty fast and relatively accurate, and the bokeh does look pretty stunning. So if I just take a picture of the gentleman over there, we can see how, I mean, there's a little bit of a cat's eye effect going on in some of the bokeh over there, but it's just beautiful in terms of the way that it renders the background. It's really soft, and the quality of the lens is coming through. Samyang has, in the last few years, been making some really high quality optics, and it looks like this lens might be ridiculously sharp with some really nice looking bokeh. I am going to look forward to, I'm looking forward to testing this lens properly. I did notice one thing. Minimum focus distance is 90 centimeters or 0.9 meters. So a little bit longer than some of the other lenses or some of the other 85mm lenses I've used, but it's not that much longer in all fairness. But yeah, I'm looking forward to hopefully getting my hands on a proper production model. They've said it's going to be about 4 weeks from now, and once I do, I am going to do like a full-on comparison and test and see what this lens is actually capable of. But in the meantime, this is just a first-hand look at the Samyang 85mm f1.4. Thank you.